Forget everything I've told you because in this video, I'm going to explain how you can use your YouTuber skills to make more money as a content creator. Hey Creator Crew, welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time here on Creator Fundamentals, then consider clicking that subscribe button, ringing the bell, and don't forget to turn on mobile notifications so you're alerted to future content. Now, if you've been with me for a while, thank you so much, I appreciate it. We have had an amazing journey going through YouTube and helping you learn how to build a brand and start to build revenue around your channel. But today, I'm announcing that I'm going to be expanding the content here on Creator Fundamentals because I have encountered an opportunity that I want to share with all of you. One of the things that we don't consider as content creators is just how many reusable skills we learn when we become a YouTuber. You learn how to make videos, you learn how to keep people's attention, you learn how to improve the quality of all those things and make videos that are helpful to people. Well, recently I've been able to take that information, take that skill set, and transfer it to another opportunity that has been incredibly lucrative. So if you want to learn how to take the skills you already have and make more money than you're making now, definitely stick around to the end of this video. Content here on Creator Fundamentals is made possible by our sponsors. Today's video is sponsored by Soundstripe. Soundstripe offers thousands of high-quality audio tracks to take your content to the next level. And now Soundstripe has leveled up their service once again. Introducing Soundstripe Video. Soundstripe Video offers over 70,000 HD, 4K, and even 5K video clips to take your content to the next level. And with the introduction of video, Soundstripe now offers music, sound effects, and videos on one convenient platform. And with their curated video playlists, you're now able to find exactly what you're looking for in far less time. And for a limited time, you can use the promo code CreatorCrew to save 20% off your subscription. Now is the time to go pro with Soundstripe. Now, if you happen to click on this video on my YouTube channel, you might see the hint in my channel art, but we are talking about Amazon. As you know, I've always encouraged everybody to use Amazon affiliates as a way to start to drive your traffic over to Amazon and earn rewards or earn commissions every time somebody makes a purchase using one of your links. And to be quite honest, I've done that for the last few years, and I do get a varied return from a few $100s here and there. Every once in a while it spikes a little bit, but the money there was not life-changing. But what if I told you I've discovered a way to make money on Amazon that could absolutely be life-changing? What? This particular method that I've been using, I started in mid-March, and last month, guess how much money I made? So we're looking at March to April to May to June. So the third month of doing this, having never done it before, I made over $4,500 in June. Now, if you'd like to learn how to make $4,500 each month or more, then definitely continue watching this video. And in case you're wondering, $4,500 a month is $54,000 a year. Do you think an extra 50 grand could help you in your current situation? We're not going to be able to cover everything in this video, but I'm going to be taking you through this process of how I've been able to quickly raise another stream of income that earns $4,500 a month. And I want to make sure that you're here to hear all this information. So definitely click the subscribe button, ring the bell, and don't forget to have those mobile notifications on because YouTube doesn't send out emails to tell you when videos come out anymore. So if you really want to know, you need to have those notifications on. So the way in which you're able to make all this money through Amazon is actually not the Amazon affiliate program. It's actually Amazon influencers. Now, some of you may be Amazon influencers, but I would guess the majority of you are not using this method to make this kind of money. And if you're not familiar with the Amazon influencer program, it allows you to have a custom URL to put together different groups of products and share that information on your own custom page on Amazon. And all that stuff is nice, but it's still doesn't touch on this method of making that kind of money. For a lot of Amazon influencers, they can be bringing in several $100s a month, but rarely does it reach the level of $4,500 a month. That's a lot of money. And just a side note, that $4,500 is not where it's peaked. It has raised every month. In fact, $4,500 was a 50% increase from the month prior, and that month was twice as much as the month before that. So we still don't know how much money we can get this to, but we're going to continue to try our best, and I'm going to continue continue to share our tactics and strategies with you. If you're not currently an Amazon influencer, I will also share content with you to give you an idea of how to become part of that program so you too can tap into this amazing revenue stream. For now, I'd like to know if you're watching this video, leave a comment below and let me know whether or not you are already an Amazon influencer. I'm going to use those comments to determine what type of content we should be sharing to get everybody on board and up to the same level so we can all make a huge profit here with the Amazon influencer program. Now, I'm not a fan of easy money and all money takes work to earn, but I'll tell you, so far, this has been pretty lightweight. That said, there is some work you need to do on the front end because you have to qualify for Amazon influencer. Again, I will give you tips and tricks and strategies on how you can build up your content and brand in order to qualify for that, but in the end, you still need to have some type of traffic flowing through your channel. If you're not there yet, then work on that part of it. I have 400 videos here on how to grow your brand and traffic on YouTube. You should definitely start there. Check those out. Get your brand moving, get those views coming in, and then we'll talk about how you can get qualified and approved for the Amazon Influencer Program. And hey, this is going to be an exciting journey into Amazon influencers, so please share this video with one of your fellow creators who may be able to benefit from it as well. I'll see you in the next video.